So fear, there was a lot of fear in the last one. Let's talk about pain. Pain, by the way, most of these have overlapping emotions. It's very rare that the human only feels one emotion, right? So pain and fear can be combined together. But here's a broad problem. My back hurts. It's hurt for a while, and I don't know if it will ever get better. So you could have a solution that says how to make your back feel better, even if you had chronic back pain. Boring. It's not going to emotionally resonate with a customer. Do you understand that? It's not emotional, what I just said right there. Boring. It's superficial. Here's a specific problem that we would be hunting and looking at. My back hurts, and I'm scared of taking pills, and I don't have health insurance. And I want relief, and I want it fast, and I want it without breaking the bank. Money is a primary concern for me. And I'm very scared. There's the fear, right? This is a combo. I'm very scared of doing the normal solution. So here's my constraints. And here's my desires. Constraints plus desires equals specific solution. Now, we don't want to solve something too narrow because our audience will be too small. If we say, I'm under 3'11", and I'm over 40 years old, and I'm female, and my back hurts, and I'm scared of taking pills, and I don't have health insurance, and I want relief fast and cheap, right? Doesn't matter. If you solve that problem, you're going to make $5 because you're going to find one customer who will fit that, right? So we want to go specific, but specific down to the individual level, but just with a nice chunk of those individuals that exist in that market. I know what you're thinking too, just how do I find that? Well, guess how you find that? By trying stuff. You're not going to figure this out through data crunching. You say, well, that seems about right. Let's see this person and see what happens, because these one-on-one products are so easy to create. We don't want to kill ourselves with analyzation. We put it out in the market, we get experience, and then we can make adjustments, right? So here's a specific problem. My back hurts and I'm scared of taking pills and I don't want to have health insurance. I want relief fast and cheap. What's the potential product that we could create around this? Well, let me show you. How to immediately reduce your back pain to a 3 or less without having to go see the doc. Because then you don't need medical insurance. Then you don't have to take pills, right? Now, again, these specific solutions aren't perfect solutions. It's very rare you can have a one narrowly focused solution that is a perfect solution. In fact, I don't ever recommend you try that. I didn't say I'd immediately cure your back pain, which I don't think you can legally say stuff like that, right? I didn't say your back pain will disappear, vanish, melt away, blah, blah, blah. I said we're going to reduce the pain to 3 on a scale of 1 to 10. What's your pain right now? Would you like to reduce it from a 7 to a 3 or a 9 to a 3? And would you like to do it on your own without even having to see anybody? We can measure that, and you would be able to immediately see that in the weekend. So if you don't experience that, I'll give you your money back. If you do experience that, then you'll be very happy to pay me the $9 that I'm going to show you the solution for. Are you starting to get it? What I just showed you here can change lives if you totally understand it, because we narrowly focus on a very narrow solution, and then we set about finding that solution. If we don't already have it, what's the key word? Easily assemble it if we don't already have it. And then we put it out there with a very, very low risk sales proposition. And people that are this narrowly focused to wanting this solution, it's so easy for them to find it on the web. If you run an advertisement, it will call them out by name. If you go to the places that they hang out with, it's very easy to get them to resonate with you. If you connect to people who control and influence these types of audiences, and they're excited about it, it's easy for them to get excited because it's so specific versus something very broad and general that might be even conflicting and competitive with you, right?